Retreat Villa V by Time Architects in Vietnam. In the context of COVID, the client wants a space where they can return and renew their spirit, be close to nature, and do personal activities, planting trees, raising fish, raising birds. The project is hidden in the suburbs, away from the hustle and bustle of the city center. This is a wonderful setting for a relaxing getaway, surrounded by lush gardens and next to a peaceful pond. One of the unique features of this project is that the space is suspended above the water, which not only adds to the beauty of the surrounding environment but also helps balance the microclimate. The soothing sound of flowing water creates a calming atmosphere, making this the ideal place for relaxation and peace. We designed a low roof system, creating the feeling of floating above the water, with carefully considered proportions, creating a shaded area for the porch around the house. As sunlight reflects off the water, it creates a mesmerizing dance of vivid shadows, adding to the villa's charm. The architecture is inspired by tradition, with tiled roofs and terrazzo floors exuding timeless elegance. At the same time, construction maintenance is limited with the use of these materials. Every corner reflects a sense of serenity and simplicity, allowing the people inside to escape the fast-paced world and immerse in pure bliss. Whether the client wants to relax with a book amid blooming flowers or stroll along winding paths, this retreat villa has it all. It's a place where they can disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature. This special retreat is designed with peace in mind. The villa's architecture is inspired by tradition, featuring a graceful tiled roof and sophisticated terrazzo finishes. Every detail has been carefully crafted to create an atmosphere that harmoniously combines modernity and tradition.